morning, dears. How are you all? Very fine, right? Okay, dear. Shall we start our class? Okay. So, please, all of you take page number 19. Page number 19 in your GK book. Okay. So, stories about children. Okay, dears. Stories about children. So, you may have been familiar with some of these characters. Identify them from the clues given. So, we may hear these characters in some of novels, okay, famous novels and all. So, we have to find out the characters for this given clues. So, the first one is, he was the little boy who asked for more. What is the character? Can you guess? He was the little boy who asked for more. So, the answer is Oliver Twist. Okay? What is the answer? Right answer? Oliver Twist. Okay, now second one. He was the headmaster of Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. He was the headmaster of Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. So, can you identify the character? Professor Albus Dumbledore. Professor Albus Dumbledore. And now the third one. Okay. He was a leader of a band of pirates in Robert Louis Stevenson Treasure Island. Can anyone read this Treasure Island? Famous novel, okay? It's written by Robert Stevenson. So, who is the leader of a band? Long John Silver. So, the right answer is Long John Silver. And next one. Created by Rudyard Kipling. His surname was O'Hara and he lived in India under the British rule. So, this novel is written by Rudyard Kipling. Okay. And his surname was O'Hara. And he lived in India under the British rule. So, the answer is Kimball. Kimball. So, the answer is Kimball. So, now, shall we move on to the next one? B. Name these characters from famous novels. Okay. So, we have to name the characters. These are from famous novels. So, first one. Which boys' best friends were a bear, a tiger, and a donkey? Can you guess? Which boys' best friends were a bear, a tiger, and a donkey? Christopher Robin. So, the answer is Christopher Robin. Okay. And next one, second one. 4 children embark on a series of adventures in the magical land of Narnia, created by C.S. Lewis. Name them. So, 4 children embark on a series of adventures in a magical land of Narnia. So, name them. Who are they? Peter, Edmund, Lucy. Okay. So, Peter, Edmund, Lucy. And next one, third one. Who tried to play truant from school by pretending to have a toothache? So, who tried to play truant from school by pretending to have a toothache? Who is that? Tom Sawyer. Okay, Tom Sawyer. And next one. Who is the protagonist of The Hobbit, a fantasy novel by J.R.R. Tolkien? Who is the protagonist? So, the answer is Bilbo Baggins. Bilbo Baggins. Bilbo, Bilbo. Baggins, Baggins. And fifth one, R.K. Narayan wrote a number of stories about a mischievous boy and his friends. Who was he? So, R.K. Narayan, Indian writer, okay, who wrote several stories about a character. And who was he? So, the answer is Swami. That is Swami, Swami. And next one, who was the little Swiss girl who had two goats for pets? Who was the little Swiss girl who had two goats for the pets? Look at the image. Who is that? Heidi. Okay, Heidi. Heidi. And last one. Who was the little girl who was the Kabuliwala's best friend? Who was the little girl who has Kabuliwala's best friend? So the answer is Minnie. Mini. So the answer is Minnie. Okay. Shall we move on to the next one? Yes? Okay. So please all of you take page number 20. Okay, page number 20. Have you all taken page number 20, dears? Yes? So, earth concerns. Okay? What is that? Earth concern. So, earth related matters. And what is the amount of, first one, what is the amount of carbon dioxide globally being released into the air called? So, the amount of carbon dioxide which is released in air is called as global carbon emission. So, the right answer is global carbon emission. Second one, some gases form a blanket around the earth. They let the sun's energy enter into our atmosphere but do not let it escape into the outer space. Okay, what are these gases called? So, some gases which forms a blanket around the earth, they let the sun's energy enter into our atmosphere but do not let it escape into the outer space. So, what are these gases? These gases are called as greenhouse gases. And next one, the charity run by the actor Matt Damon helps people to get safe and adequate amount of this thing. What is it? Food, water. The right answer is water. And next one, in 1998, LTF was founded to do its best to protect the world's lost wild places. What does LTF stand for? LTF means Leonardo DiCaprio Foundation. Leonardo DiCaprio Foundation. Okay, dears? And next one, in your own find out book, make a list like this. What I can do to help control climate changes. How it will help. They gave some examples, right? So like this, you have to find out something to help control about climate changes. Understood? This is your homework. Please do it in your home. Okay, dears? Now, the next one, page number 21. Okay, shocking earth statistics. Okay, so first question I am reading. Listen carefully, dears. We have little time only, so only I am going little bit faster. Okay, so please mark this. And first one, of the 300 billion tons of plastic produced in the world each year, the percentage that is recycled is 10%. The answer is 10%. So only 10% only we are recycling the plastics, okay, in among 300 billion tons. So we have to avoid using plastics. Next one, the number of trees that are being cut in the world every year is the number of trees which was cut. What are the number? 15 billion. So 15 billion every year we cutting trees. So please try to plant a tree, okay? So please try to plant something. It will help a lot. Next one, third one, the number of thunderstorms that take place in the world every day is. So the number of thunderstorms 45,000. Okay, 45,000. And fourth one, over the last few decades, the number of WMDs in the world has increased a lot, placing all the countries at a great risk and in grave danger. So over the last few decades, WMDs which is increased a lot. So what is that? Weapon of mass destruction. What is the right answer? Weapon of mass destruction. And fifth one, by 21,000, sea levels are expected to rise up to 30 centimeter. Okay, so the right answer is 30 centimeter. By 2100, sea levels are expected to rise up to 30 centimeter. And next one, sixth one, although more than half of all species in the world live in them, tropical forests only cover this much of our planet's land surface. Although more than half of all the species in the world live in them, tropical forests only cover this much of our planet's land surface. So what is the percentage? 7%. The right answer is 7. And seventh one, by the end of the 21st century, overall global temperature are expected to rise by, in 21st century, the temperature is expected to rise by 5.8 degrees Celsius. So the right answer is 5.8. Next one, the eighth one. The Ganga and Yamuna are among the world's dirtiest rivers. So people are putting all the wastes in that rivers only. Okay. So the Ganga and Yamuna are among the world's dirtiest rivers. World's dirtiest rivers. And ninth one. The amount of plastic floating in the Northeast Pacific has gone up in the last 4 decades by 100 times. The amount of plastic floating in the Northeast Pacific has gone up in the last 4 decades by 100 times. So the right answer is 100. Next, 10th one. About 332 million people do not have access to water in Europe or Africa. The right answer is Africa. Look at this, dears. About 332 million people do not have access to water. Look how pity it was. Am I right? Yes. So the right answer is Africa. Have you all marked this, dears? Okay, ma. Very good. So we will meet in the next class. Okay? Okay, dears. Keep reading all those things. Okay? Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.